Good morning, everybody. Welcome to online session in the subject of forensic medicine and toxicology with a very interesting topic for the purpose of online study for the student of second BHMS Kent Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital Hajipur. Myself, Dr. Kasif Raza, Assistant Professor, Kent Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Hajipur. The topic is rigor mortis. Rigor mortis. This word origin from Latin word rigor, stiffness, mortis of death, also called death stiffening or cadaveric rigidity. Rigor mortis is one of the recognizable sign of death caused by physiochemical changes in the muscles, voluntary or involuntary, after death, causing the limbs of the corpse to become stiff, shortening of muscles fiber, and difficult to move or manipulate. In humans, it commences about 2 to 6 hours, reaches maximum stiffness after 12 hours, and gradually dissipates from approximately 24 hours after death. Depending on temperature and other conditions, rigor mortis lasts approximately 72 hours according to the rule of 12. Mechanisms: the death starts cessation of respiration, depletion of oxygen used in making of ATP. ATP no longer provided to operate the SCRCA pump in the membrane of sarcoplasmic reticulum, which pump calcium ion into the terminal cisternae. Calcium ions diffuse from the terminal cisternae and extracellular fluid to sarcomere. Calcium bind with troponin, cross bridging between myosin and actin filaments. Unlike normal muscles contraction, the body is unable to complete cycle and release the coupling between the myosin and actin, creating a perpetual state of muscles contraction until the breakdown of muscle tissue by digestive enzyme during decomposition. The skeletal muscles contraction, the sliding filament mechanism, sarcomere, myosin, actin, ATP contraction, cross bridge. The smooth muscles of vessels, blood vessels, and cardiac muscles of heart. Skeletal muscles structure, muscles fiber bundle, muscles fiber cell. You can see the neuromuscular junction, the end of neuron, synaptic bulb, the neuromuscular junction with muscles fiber. Signal from nervous system to contract muscles. Muscles to myofibrils, myofibrils to sarcomere, contractile unit. Sarcomere is the contractile unit of the muscles. Myosin, thick filament, ATP dependent motor protein. Actin, thin filament, contractile filament of muscle cells. Thick filaments, myosin, are anchored to M line. Actin filament are anchored to outer edge of sarcomere, the Z line. Myosin pulls actin filament along its length power stroke. Sliding filament mechanism. Length of filament do not change. Sarcomere shortens, cause shortening of muscles and muscles fiber. Supply of ATP in muscles during life. Phosphagen system, glycogen lactic acid system, aerobic system. Muscles contraction are controlled by calcium ion. Regulatory protein on actin, the troponin and tropomyosin. At relaxed stage, tropomyosin blocks cross bridge. When calcium levels are high enough and ATP is present, calcium binds to troponin and displaces tropomyosin and help in formation of cross bridge. Neuromuscular junction. Signal from nervous system to contract, the calcium release from sarcoplasmic reticulum. Muscles contraction, the Z line draw close to M line, shortening of muscles fiber. After death, physiochemical changes in muscles. ATP is progressively and irreversibly destroyed. Accumulation of lactates and phosphates in muscles. No resynthesis of ATP. Postmortem sarcoplasmic disruption, flooding of calcium ion into sarcomeres, initiating the binding of actin and myosin, mimicking normal contraction. Rigor mortis set in when ATP is reduced to a critical level up to 85% of normal. Rigidity is maximum when ATP depletion is 15%. Rigor mortis is lost when putrefaction starts, proteolytic detachment, loss of structural integrity, muscle softens and relax. Order of appearance. According to many rules, the Nisten's rule says rigor mortis doesn't start in all muscles simultaneously. Ciparo 1950, rigor mortis mostly likely to develop simultaneously in all muscles, smaller muscles first, then larger muscles. Involuntary muscles, myocardium, half hour before than voluntary muscles. The order of appearance of rigor mortis. The rigor mortis start from eyelid, followed by neck, lower jaw, face, chest, upper limb, abdomen, lower limbs, fingers and toes. Rigor mortis disappears in the same order of appearance. Rule of 12. Rigor of muscles begins 2 to 6 hours. The appearance in eyelids, jaws stiffens. After 2 hours, the center of body stiffens. After 12 hours, complete rigor mortis, entire body. During 15 to 36 hours, slow loss of rigor muscles, small muscles first. Lost in head and neck, last in bigger leg muscles. During 36 to 48 hours, rigor disappears, muscles become relaxed. Development of rigor mortis. Rigor mortis is independent of integrity of nervous system, concerned only with muscles. Rigor mortis occurs in different time with different type of muscles, red muscles and white muscles. Frequent handling of the body break rigor in certain place, leaving the patchy distribution. Feature observed during rigor mortis. Pupils are constricted due to rigor mortis of the muscles of iris. Cutis anserina are goose skin appearance due to rigor mortis of erector pili muscles. Postmortem ejaculation of seminal fluid in males. Rarely, if the uterus is in labor at the time of death, the rigor mortis may cause uterus to contract and expel the fetus. The heart contracted stiff left ventricle may mistaken for left ventricular hypertrophy. The time of onset of rigor mortis. The time factor is variable because of many extrinsic and intrinsic factors. When rigor sets in early, it passes off quickly and vice versa. In India, usually it lasts for 24 to 48 hours in winter and 18 to 36 hours in summer. It may begin to disappear in about 12 hours. Rule of 5. In some state like Kerala, moisture is increased. Rigor mortis sets in 5 hours, stay for 5 hours, disappear in 5 hours. Condition altering the onset and duration of rigor mortis. The age, nature of death, atmospheric condition, muscle states. The age. The rigor mortis does not occur in fetus less than 7 months. Commonly found in stillborn infant at full term, but it is earlier to appear and also disappear. So it has no value as a sign of live birth. Children or old people, feebly and rapid. Nature of death. Disease causing great exhaustion and wasting like cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, cancer, and violent death, cutthroat, electrocution, firearms, lightning, strychnine poison, rigor mortis, early sets and short duration. Poisoning. Opium poisoning, rigidity appears early. Carbon monoxide poisoning delays a disappearance. Strychnine and SCN poisoning start early and persist longer. Asphyxia, severe hemorrhage, apoplexy, pneumonia, and nervous disease causing muscle paralysis. Onset delayed, widespread bacterial infection, gas gangrene disappears very rapidly. Rigor mortis is frequently absent in septicemic death. Condition altering the onset and duration. Muscular state. Healthy muscles and at rest before death. Slow onset and long duration of rigor mortis. Heavy exercise, severe convulsion, rapid onset and short duration of rigor mortis. In person who run prior to death, rigor mortis may develop earlier and rapid in legs compared to other parts. In emaciated person, rigor mortis may very weak and delayed. Atmospheric condition, cold weather, slow onset and long duration. Rigor mortis persists longer in cold, wet air greater than fresh air dry, prolonged by dry cold air and cold water. Hot environment, rapid onset and shorter duration due to increased breakdown of ATP. Because of number variability of the factor which influence the development of rigor mortis, it is not possible to draw any general rule for the rate of onset, duration and disappearance. Condition simulating rigor mortis. The similar in appearance like rigor mortis. Heat stiffening, which is just like similar condition, exposure of body to intense temperature more than 65 degrees centigrade, denaturation and coagulation of muscles protein, muscular shortening, contracted, desiccated and carbonized, seen in burning, high voltage electrocution, falling into hot liquid, a zone of brownish pink cooked meat is seen under contracted muscles. Changes in posture, especially flexion of limbs, normal rigor mortis do not occur. The second condition is cold stiffening, the exposure of body to extreme cold less than -5 degree centigrade, solidification of subcutaneous fat and muscles, freezing of synovial fluid and in joints. Rigor mortis is halted until thawing occurs, after which it develops very rapidly and passes off quickly. When joint forcibly flex, sudden sharp sound is ice breakage of synovial fluid. Subcutaneous fat hardening may be mistaken for ligature mark, especially in infant. The third condition, cadaveric spasm, also known as instantaneous rigor mortis. Cataleptic rigidity or instantaneous rigidity, rare form of muscular rigidity that occurs at the moment of death, persists into the period of rigor mortis and can be mistaken with rigor mortis. The cause is unknown, but usually violent death, happening when intense emotion, possibly neurogenic, adrenocortical exhaustion, impairing resynthesis of ATP. No other condition simulating cadaveric spasm, and it cannot be produced by any method after death. Many may affect all muscles in the body, but typically only groups such as forearms, hands, seen in case of drowning victims when grass, weeds, roots of other material are clutched and provide proof of life at the time of entry into the water. Often demonstrate the last activity one did prior to death. They therefore significant in forensic investigation. For example, cleansing on a knife tightly. Rigor mortis versus cadaveric spasm. In rigor mortis, onset delayed after death 2 to 3 hours, duration approx 12 to 24 hours, intensity comparatively moderate, mechanism of formation, breakdown of ATP below critical level. All muscles of the body are affected gradually. In the cadaveric spasm, onset is instantaneous, duration is few hours until it is replaced by rigor mortis. Intensity comparatively very strong, mechanism of formation unknown, but predisposing factor excitement, fear, fatigue, exhaustion, nervous tension, contraction of ends at the time of death. Selected muscles which were in a state of contraction at the time of death are affected. Rigor mortis, muscles stiffening not marked. Molecular death occurs, body is cold, muscles do not respond to electrical stimuli, muscular reaction acidic. Medical importance indicates time of death. In the cadaveric spasm, muscle stiffening is marked, molecular death doesn't occur, body is warm, muscles respond to electrical stimuli, muscular reaction is alkaline. In the medical legal importance, mode of death, homicide, suicide, and accidental may be marked. Testing of rigor mortis. Tested by trying to lift eyelid, depressing jaws, gently bending the neck, try flexing, extending various joints of the body. Degree absent, minimal, moderate, advanced, complete, distribution patchy, complete. Medical legal importance of rigor mortis. It is a sign or early sign of death. It extends help in estimating the time of death. When the body is warm, flaccid, the time of death may be less than 3 hours. When the body is warm, stiff, the time of death may be 3 to 8 hours. And when the body is cold, stiff, the time of death may be under 8 to 36 hours. When the body is cold and flaccid, the time of death may be less than 36 hours. It indicates the position of body at the time of death. Best done at the scene, sooner the better. Worst estimate is done at the time of autopsy. If you have any question, you can write down in the comment section. Thank you so much.